please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Avni. I've completed my master's here at DICT and I have 1 year experience of being a research assistant. So now my term is going to be over. So within few days I'll be leaving here. So I got the opportunity. I also attended this workshop earlier for 1 day, but now it was for 3 days. So I extended and thought to attend more and know more about this.
Okay, so before coming for this workshop, you already had an idea what this workshop was.
Yes,
Like,
I
since you-
attended in my first year of MTech. It was for 1 day, so I
Mhm.
attended it earlier.
So, what brought you to go for the whole course?
Actually, there it was just an introduction. So I just came to know, okay, we can represent the all this graphs and everything in Excel sheet. So I was hoping that I at that moment I had many questions in my mind. So I personally interacted with Professor Das. So I knew that okay, the extension of whatever thoughts in my mind was going on, the explanations would be here. So in that respect, I attended this workshop.
Okay. Now, you said you are doing your
MTech. I've completed my
completed
MTech.
your MTech and you're doing some research.
Yeah, I'll be going forward with in PhD.
In
So I've
PhD.
applied for PhD.
Okay. So, uh, everyone says that this is just the elementary or the basics of
Yeah.
mathematics.
Yes.
So, how is this going to help you for your research?
Point is when I was in 11th, 12th and I was in BTech, we usually study mathematics. So it's there. So it's nothing new in that respect. But as soon as we go and proceed in research, these basics come on in a larger perspective. So it's like it was a kind of revision, but in a more clear way. Because if I'm not able to progress in research, the most important reason what I think is that we lack some kind of basics. But we don't know that okay, this is the main hurdle. That's why we are not able to understand this modern course. So it was like a bridge, a gap. What I learned and what I'm going to learn. So I have a bigger perspective that whatever it's taught now, so I can better understand and apply it there in future.
So, you mean to say that if this workshop, if you wouldn't have attended this workshop, so there would have been many hurdles which would have been difficult to overcome or something like that during your research work?
It's not that what I'm trying to say. I'm saying is yes, for if this would be the workshop, there could be another ways that obviously I would have done it. But since it's accessible and since this kind of thing is going on, of course I appreciate, and yes, it's, a burden is being reduced.
So, in
Yeah.
other words, we can say that that hurdle was removed.
Yeah.
Hurdles
Yeah.
will be there, but that height of that hurdle might have come
Yeah.
down.
Yes. Of course. It's
Now it is a comparatively a smoother path to
Yeah.
travel.
Yeah.
Okay. So, other than this helping you in your research, do you think this workshop, the tools that you have learned in this workshop, will be helpful somewhere else also?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, actually, beside research, I want to be a professor or a person. And my mother is also a tuition teacher. So I see that students do, have problems in understanding. So it's a creativity. You see mathematics in all respects. So even if it is art or something like that, you can use this kind of tool. So it's
you are
like,
saying that mathematics is beyond just mathematics.
yeah, it's like even what I learned is all about graphics. So students do love graphics, and graphics is not about research. It's like about creativity, like animation and everything like that. So if you know these small things, you can change your life accordingly better. You can use it for yourself. I mean, at present, what I believe is technology is now coming to you because of the computers. It is coming to you. It's not restricted. So even my parents can love because sometimes they have some questions. My mother has some questions that why it is like that. Now if I teach her some of the things, since it's not programming, it will benefit her. So it's not restricted to research in that way.
Right. So, this workshop helps in widening your perspective of application of mathematics. Can I term it in that way?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So, it's like now there are much more different fields in which mathematics can be used. Other
Actually,
than
it was already there. It was already there. It's just that we don't know that it's accessible to us.
So
in that ease.
so it's an awakening thing.
Yeah,
In a way.
in a way.
It's an awakening because
Yeah.
if something is existing and you're unaware of it, you're
Yeah.
sleeping about it, and when
Yeah.
that opens up, it's an awakening
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Something else you would like to add about this workshop?
Yes, the most important thing is that this workshop can be addressed to vast population. I mean, different people at different levels. But what I suggest, what want to suggest is the material should be different for different people. I mean, the same workshop can be useful for kids till 12th. The same workshop can be useful for BTech students. The same workshop can be useful for teachers, and same workshop can be useful for higher level like me. But the kind of material should be covered should be varied to that, because since I am a researcher, I have a broader perspective. I don't want that slow pace. I had more higher level questions, but the same basics applied there too. So what I would be expecting is that should be extended to that level, but it just depends on the scope of workshop, what the professors have in their mind, what the kind of public they want to address. But what I believe is this is a very good workshop, and this should be extended, but based on the population. I mean, the kind of crowd you want to address. If it's 12, you should restrict there. If you are focusing on BTech, so it should be restricted, should not be open to all. And
Okay.
based on that, material should be divided.
But as you're
Um,
saying that, now that brings me to a question that,
Yeah.
say for example, who is at the graduation level,
Yes.
if that person is planning for higher studies in research or
Yeah.
that masters and then research and all that, now if it is restricted,
Yeah.
will it not stop his vision?
No, it depends on if it is, suppose this was there. So if there were more MTech students and it was focused in that respect, so there would be more discussion. So it won't be restricted. So suppose one say today it stopped till one derivative and the partial derivatives were touched. But if suppose it would be a better crowd, then it would go higher
Right.
and more things can be made. I mean, there itself the discussion would extend, more problems the professors as well as the students would learn that okay, this is the somewhat loophole that this tool cannot be extended, this tool can be extended, but we haven't thought about it. So it, what I'm trying to say is when this course I would have attended my BTech, I wouldn't have that perspective. My perspective would be low. Now I've graduated, so my perspective is large. So comparatively, the course should be extended that.
That way.
So that this is the whole point. But because if a school child attends this, it would be like why? Because at that time they don't have application in their mind. Right now I have a very clear goal that why I'm attending this, how this is related to my research, how can I connect this knowledge to my research. But at school, at graduate, at BTech level, this is not clear. But this is important. So it should be molded. It should not be changed. Now I'm not saying to change.
Okay.
I'm saying just to mold,
To
to
shape
attract
it
the
in a
crowd, shape
different-
in the crowd, and make them realize through this shaping that it is useful to them.
Okay.
This belongs to them because it belongs to them. But if it's not molded in that respect, it won't be useful. The people will say, "Oh, this is not useful."
This is not for me. This is
This
for them.
them. So you
Okay.
have to mold according to the crowd. That's very important.
Right.
Yeah, this should be done. I personally believe, because I seriously believe the workshop was really good, and it should be extended for researchers as well to that level, and also for 11 12, because for the first time in 11 12 we came across derivatives, integration and all, and it's seriously a very difficult thing to visualize all this. So if you know earlier, you better create perspectives. And most importantly, it's Excel. As you grow in BTech, you learn MATLAB. So you just don't require Excel as much, because you know how to code. And if you want to see, okay, you can see. It's a side part tool, a very easy tool. But at this level, there is MATLAB, and so the importance decreases a bit. I'm not saying it's zero, a bit. So you have to address the crowd according to their level.
Okay.
So that what I'm trying to say.
Right.
The material is very good. I seriously appreciate. I'm not discouraging any
That's
of the.
good, yes.
Just I'm saying, just keep this according to the crowd,
According to the crowd
and
and,
modulate.
Channelize it
Huh.
according.
So
to-
it would be very effective for the crowd.
Right. That's great.
Yeah.
Now, one more thing. what do you have to tell about Mr. Chanchal Das, about his way of imparting it, imparting the tools or imparting the knowledge?
Yeah, he has effectively, I mean, communicated what he wanted to communicate, and he just emphasized what it's really important. So yeah,
So
it's good.
I mean, he has been able to, impart the knowledge
Yeah,
as it was required.
yeah, it was good. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your.